Are you tired of dust, pet hair, and mess piling up? Meet the ABIR VC205 Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful, smart, and hassle-free cleaning solution. Let's put this beast to the test. With an incredible 27,000 PA suction power, a futuristic touchscreen, and smart dust sensor, this vacuum takes cleaning to the next level. Right out of the box, we get the ABIR VC205 Handheld Vacuum. Multiple nozzles for different surfaces, a charging dock and power adapter, an instruction manual. It's compact, lightweight, and cordless, making it super easy to use anywhere in your home or car. The touchscreen lets you control suction power with just a tap. It even displays battery life and mode selection. The 27,000 PA suction power makes cleaning effortless. Just look at how it lifts up all the dust and debris. And here's something smart. The dust sensor automatically adjusts speed based on how much dirt it detects. That means efficient cleaning and longer battery life. Let's see how it performs on different surfaces. Hardwood floors? No problem. Car interiors? Super easy. Pet hair? Gone in seconds. Bed mattress? Deep cleaning for a healthier home. The ABIR VC205 runs for up to 45 minutes on a single charge, perfect for full house cleaning. And thanks to fast charging, it's ready to go in just a few hours. Here's a quick rundown. Powerful suction, 27,000 PA, touchscreen controls, smart dust detection, cordless and lightweight, multiple attachments for different needs, long battery life. If you're looking for a powerful, smart, and convenient vacuum cleaner, the ABIR VC205 is a must-have. It makes cleaning faster, easier, and even kind of fun. Ready to upgrade your cleaning game? Click the link in the description to grab yours today.